What's up, guys? Got my DS18 hat on today, and I'm here with some DS18 goodies. We got to fix the hat. There we go. That's better. I got a crooked head. It just fits crooked. So we got these 10th anniversary DS18 mids. I have a 6.5 and I have an 8. And yeah, let's check them out real quick because you could win $5 grand. Ooh, yeah. And $5 grand, I don't care who you are. Anybody can use $5 grand. So you get a DS18 sticker, a warranty card, and a paper going over everything. And the number on this is Pro 68XA. So I'm going to say that since it's got a 6 would be the size, then the 8 would definitely be 8 ohm. Which a lot of y'all might ask, why do you need an 8 ohm? If you're going to run a whole bunch of mids and highs, 8 ohm are awesome because you can run a lot more of them to get down to your desired 2 ohm or 1 ohm load when you parallel all of them. So anyway, let's take a look at this bad boy. This is the 10th anniversary. And off the top, look at how big that booty is. Oh yeah. That got the J-Lo booty on it. But all the gold lettering, I really like it. And they actually put DS18 in the basket. My assistant's wanting to help.
Just want you to see the engravings.
Yeah. Big motor, stamped steel basket. I'm going to say this is going to be a really good mid. And then we want to definitely find out, because it is a mid-base, not a mid-range, which we've been covering that a lot on my channel. I'm trying to find the recommended range is crossover at 100 hertz. So that's not bad. That's not bad. I'd say having 2 or 4 of these in each door, that would be awesome. And I have a code for you guys to save some money when you want to order these and tell you how you can potentially win $5,000. So now we're going to move on to the 8. Here, assistant, this goes in that box. And the same thing, you see the DS18 sticker, the warranty card, and the book. Let's see what this one plays down to. Wow. 60 hertz. So you might ask yourself, is it worth it to get 8s? And I always recommend, if you can fit an 8, get an 8. If you can fit a 10, get a 10. Because the bigger you go, the lower you're going to play. And this one looks just like that one, only bigger and better.
So it'd be nice and uniformed if you ran both in the door.
And she got some booty on her too. Yep. And y'all know me. I love the booties on speakers. You can see the DS18 in the basket a whole lot better there. And I like how they just went simple with the silver lettering.
10th anniversary
on the
edition.
dust cap, you know.
It's embossed.
Yep, 10th anniversary edition is in your little soft surround for where you put a grill on or whatever. The little gasket, yeah, that's what it is. But yeah, guys, like I said, these are the 10th anniversary. They're not super expensive, and I wanted to show y'all an 8 and a 6.5 and tell y'all how to win some money. So you might be asking yourself, how can buying a set of these potentially win me $5,000? Well, how it's going to win you $5,000 is you go to ds18.com. They're sold individually, so if you buy a pair of them, you have 2 entries. You buy 4 of them, you have 4 entries. And it's only on the anniversary speakers that you have the possibility of winning some money. Now, what I would like to see is y'all use my code, which will save you 10% off if you decide to order a set of these, or 20 of them. But whatever. JERRYJ, all caps, all together. That'll save you 10% on your order, and you can potentially win $5,000. I'm not exactly sure when this contest is going to end. I think it's April 15th. Don't quote me on that. I think it's April 15th, so you still got a good month to order and enter. I will definitely put it somewhere in the video, the date that the contest is going to end. And I'm also going to go like up here somewhere and put in the code, which is JERRYJ. And you can only be entered in the contest if you order this from ds18.com. But yeah, guys, just look how pretty. Look how pretty. I don't know why I have a fascination with mids. I do. But we'll go ahead and give you some more specs here, because if you're like me, you're wondering what size coil does that thing have. And it's a 1.5 inch coil, 38 millimeter. It's a Clapton coil. But yeah, that's basically what we wanted to know. And what is actually cool that I'm digging is, you know, they give you all the info on the motor right here, your general specs here, but right there, they give you the TSP parameters, which I honestly, I'm just going to be honest with y'all, I haven't really seen that a whole lot in dealing with mid-ranges, so I kind of like that. You know, they give you all your other info here. But, you know, you got to think, a company, any company that's pretty successful, and DS18 is a very successful company, they're going to kind of go all out for a 10th anniversary line. So they definitely went out of the way on this one with just a bunch of little stuff, you know, like having, I don't know if you can see it in there, but the 10th anniversary and this, the DS18 on the basket. And they didn't do nothing really gaudy on the front. Like, it don't have a bunch of writing on the dust cap. They kept it simple. That is the kind of stuff that I really like.
What kind of terminals?
And if you can even see in there, the dang spider's black on this thing. I do like that. It looks good from the side with the top plate, the slug, and the bottom plate. So, yeah, they kind of went out of their way. It says 8 ohm on there, so you know what you're getting into. And, like I said, I grabbed a couple of these myself to do the video with. But anyway, yeah, go check them out if you're interested. Definitely ds18.com. Use the code JERRYJ, all caps, save you 10% off. If you order 40 of them, you're going to get 10% off that entire order. So anyway, and you're going to have 40 entries to win that $5,000. And we could all use $5,000. Hell, $5,000 to buy you some new nice amps. Anyway, guys, we're going to take it to another part of my location here, and we're going to hook one of these up real quick, see what it does. Ooh, yeah.
Vengeance, you gon' see me end this. I will be ascending. I don't ever slack. I got my eyes on a prize. What I see for my life, I don't float, no, I fly, do or die. Cause you gotta do or die. There ain't no compromise. Get ready for a fight. Do you wanna see what you made of? What if there was no one to save us? Would you leave it all on the pavement? Would you dive the ground with some stray blood? I just wanna find out my limits. I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it. And this is just the beginning. Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? I'll fight till I collapse.
All right, guys, that sounded really good, actually. I mean, I could hear the vocals really good from it. Really good mid-bass. And I just got it hooked up to my little home computer speaker, or, well, system, which is, I think 150 watts per channel. It's one of the good Logitech systems that they haven't made in like 15 years. But I dig it, guys. I dig it. So, yes, you know where to get it at, and you know the coupon code.
JERRYJ.
JERRYJ coupon code. DS18.com, the 10th anniversary. I hope you win $5,000. Peace out and bass on.